We'll guide you through how to find and view recently added contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So to go and do this, we don't actually do it in the Contacts app. So come out of it. What you need to do is you need to go and find the Shortcuts app. By default, that should be in the Utilities folder in the second page. You can go and see Shortcuts, but you can always drag that on your phone and go and search for it. In Shortcuts at the bottom, press Library in the bottom left and press the plus in the top right. Press Search Actions and type in Find Contacts and tap there. Then where it says Sort By, press None to the right, scroll all the way down and tap Date Created. Where it says Order, it will say Oldest first, but set it to Latest first and switch on Limits, and you can choose how many. Then what you can do is go and press Search and type in Results. Then press Search at the bottom and go and type in Show, and you can press Show Content. Then you can press Play in the bottom right, and it's going to complete, and it'll then go and give you the recents at the top. That's it.